This is GoPro Hero 2018 and this is GoPro Hero 5 Sessions. So now we're comparing them all side by side. This is something that I did not see on YouTube yet. Hopefully this will be the first video to offer this comparison. You would be seeing how I'm holding this, you would be screaming your lungs out. It's so scary, but I'm pushing them one next to the other and that's how I make them move. So I'm sure you've never seen a similar test to this one. I mean, I bet you. Ooh. Okay, let's walk together. So I think this will be a conclusive evidence on how these cameras compare. I mean, cannot stack them up better than this. Okay, let's test the stabilization now. I'm walking, I'm running actually now. There's another runner coming from the other side.